Alright, you guys, inequalities 101. We need to write some notes before we start doing the handout. Alright, first thing, whenever you have these symbols, less than or greater than, this is less than, greater than, we use an open circle, right? And if we have these symbols, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, we use this symbol. So we have a circle and we have a dot, or open circle and a closed circles, like they say. Now all you're going to do is look for the number. So I have the number 1. I look for my 1 here. If this is an open circle, I'm going to go ahead and put an open circle on top of my number 1. And if n is greater, that means I'm going to shade this way to the right. So wherever the arrow points, it goes that direction. All right, this means that the answer is everything here, but it does not touch. We do not touch the number 1. That's why it's open. So if we have something that has a line under it, so I'm looking for -3, and since there's a line under it, you put a dot. Now if the variable is on this side, like this, that's why we just follow the arrow. It says less than, so we're going to shade this direction. Okay? Only when the variable is on this side, on the left. All right, like this is good. Like these are all really easy. All right. So again, so look, I have a -6, and I'm going to put my little dot. I'm going to put it on the bottom because there's no space here. And then it's greater than or equal to. The answer is greater than or equal to. So it's going to go this way. Shade this way. Now the reverse here, we have our number with the shade and with the symbol. So I'm going to put X, just use X for everything. Okay, now if it's going this direction with the shading, that means it has to be this one or it has to be this one. But look at the symbol. This one is an open circle. So that means I'm using this symbol. It's going to the left because my shading is going this way. So do not put a line under it because this is a circle. And then the number, -2. And that's it. That's my answer. See, like this one right here, I'm going to put X equal, no, not X equals, I'm sorry. X, and then I have a dot, so I have to use one of these symbols. And it's going this direction, so I'm going to point this way. And then you have 1. All right, I think I was out of camera. Let me try again. So look, watch. You have the 4s. So X, and then this is going to be less than or equal because it's going this way. X, but this one is the other direction, greater than or equal to, then the number 4. Let me see. So that's all you're basically doing. You're going to finish this part and then finish the back as well. Now be careful with the fractions. All right, you can change these fractions in the calculator. So right here I have 1 and 1/2. So if I don't know what that is, I'm going to put 1, then alpha x. No, wait. See, this is the weird thing. All right, so I have 1 alpha x. No, that's not what I'm trying to do. Why won't it let me do it? Oh, I understand. So if I have 1 and I have a fraction next to it, this is a mixed number. I actually need to put it like this in the calculator. It's really weird. I don't like it. It's actually better to put this in Desmos because of this reason. But this is 3.5. So 3 divided by 2. So it's 1.5. All right, that one I might want to put in Desmos instead, like this, because it's easier. But that's the decimal 1.5. So the way that I do this, I'm going to go to 1.5 is like here in the middle. I'm going to put my circle like that because this does not have a line. And I'm going to shade this direction all the way. Shade this way. Okay. So just be careful with the fractions. If you need help, raise your hand. I can help you. Like right here, just 3 divided by 2. Let's just put it in the calculator. 3 divided by 2. Put it like a slash so you can get the decimal. Same thing right here with 1/2. 1 divided by 2. There's your decimal. That way you know where to put it. And yeah, just be careful with these. because now we have to be careful where the symbol is. So I need to switch this. I need to rewrite. That's a W. Rewrite. And what I mean by rewrite is that I need the X to be on this side, so everything has to like flip. Okay, rewrite, and you gotta flip it. So the X goes this way, the sign flips like this, and then the -2. Now we can go ahead and graph it. All right, so this one is good. There's no rewrite. This one is good. This one you gotta rewrite. All right, remember we gotta flip. So the P goes here. The symbol has to flip too. Be very careful with that. And then 3/2. Now we can graph it. So make sure that the symbol is on the side. Right? Rewrite this one. This one's good. Rewrite this one. This one's good. And yeah, this is the same as last time, so that hasn't changed. Just be careful with those rewrites.